there she is, all dressed up and ready for the ball today. Today is going to be test number 1. Pretty stoked on this. Spence and I went and picked up this sweet trailer a couple days ago.
This trailer is nice.
We did spark plugs the last couple days. Spence and I have been working on, well, mostly Spencer been working on GPS and comms. I've just been going over the truck, making sure everything's good to go. So let's get some fuel and hit the road. All right, we got the Terminator filled up. Now we're putting some diesel in the old tow rig here.
Excuse me, but you're spraying everywhere.
All right, we are out here. We're gonna need to get the bad machine unloaded there. We got Spencer in the blue hoodie over there. That's the co-driver. That's the important man. Gonna have the old man dad. He's around here somewhere. He's gonna follow us in the general, and then Spencer's kids gonna be in the general with him, just following us, making sure we're okay, nothing bad happening, and also getting some footage. So we'll get this thing unloaded, we'll get her warmed up, and then we'll go for a rip. All right, getting her warmed up.
Hit it. Do you even know how to drive an automatic?
You were slow! Man, you too slow!
He might be a bit on the slow side. You're in last place, Dad.
Must go faster. Can you go any faster?
Not good enough.
All right, successful shakedown, all loaded up. What did you think, Spencer, Mr. Co-driver?
Scared for about 3 minutes.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, we got air a few times. Where's the old man? What did you think, old man?
Yeah, it's a bit scary.
Bit scary? Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. I got a lot of work to do though. A lot of work to do to get comfortable with it. So, pretty awesome.